Ting 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 ting. What a performance! Where was he hiding? This guy. People were asking, what is his name? How do you pronounce it? Is it Harpit Brar or Harpit Rar or what? I'll tell you the correct pronunciation. It's Harpit Brar. 3 golden wickets. AB de Villiers, Glenn Maxwell, Virat Kohli. Who picks them? This guy. Superb performance. Even though he's from an opposition side where the credit is due, appreciation is due, I have to give it to him. Superb. Now, talking about RCB, I was just watching the match yesterday. I was like, what should I? Should I watch the match or should I read a book? Because there's a difference between RCB and a book. A book has a title. So I'll feel kind of happy. I'll find solace in reading a book. You know, I don't know what's wrong with them. The C in Kohli stands for consistency. People are blaming Rajat Patidar. How can you blame him? Inexperienced guy. He's not played many IPL matches. This guy has played. People consider him as a god of cricket. People consider him as the world's best batsman. People consider him as the world's best batsman in the IPL. Yeah, blah blah blah. This batsman, that batsman. Yeah, 35 runs of 34 balls. And what's his excuse? What's his excuse? Yeah, I'm sick of that guy. I can't stand 1 inch of that guy. I said it in my previous video when I had done the review of the CSK RCB game. Next year, if they are releasing all the players, please don't take him. If you're taking him, please take him as a batsman, not as a captain. Yeah, I'll start from the bowling. Gale came, they shat themselves. I'm like, Bob, it's Gale. It's not Matthew Eden or Adam Gilchrist. Bob, he has only 2 years left or something. They lose their shit. Chahal, oh my god. Please drop him. See, sincere request. Please drop him. He's not performing well. Go tell him to do TikTok, takatak, whatever patapat he's doing. You'll find guys like him there. Uska tarah log udhar mein milega. Tell him, please, tell him. And if Virat Kohli wants, join him as well. What kind of bowling? He's not picking up wickets, not controlling the flow of runs, or he's getting smacked all over the park. Yeah? And I still want to know from Virat Kohli, why didn't he let Jamieson bowl the last over? Harshal Patel has bowled 2 last overs in the last 3 matches. Alright? The last two against CSK, 37 runs, that made the big difference. And this match he gave away 22 runs, I think. 59 runs he has given in his last 2 overs. Yeah? That means if you round it up, he has given 60 runs. That means he's averaging 30 per over. What is he planning? Is he planning to inaugurate his own Dinda Academy or something like that? Yeah? If he persists with him in the last 2 and next match as well, no. Then Bob, khatam, bye, tata, goodbye. Have you ever heard a CSK fan complaining? No. Have you ever heard from a Mumbai Indians fan complaining? No. Have you ever heard from a Delhi Capitals fan complaining the past 3 years? No. Why? Because they're performing. Then they're not losing like shit. We look at us. We lose by big margins. CSK, big margin. Thanks to the bowlers, we would not have reached that total against CSK. Same as now. We would have got all out for less than 100. Thanks to Jamieson and Patidar and Harshal Patel. We reached a respectable 145 or something. Alright. Whether they reach 145 or 135, I don't care. They lost the match. That's the end of the story. Bye-bye. They have to do something with the batting order. They have to. Bring in Finn Allen instead of Daniel Sams. Increase the batting order. Yeah. Our team, there's nothing called middle order in our team. It's a myth. Just like that. Vaccines are there in all the states. Myth. There are no vaccines. There's no middle order in this team. It's top order. And then you have directly the bowling. My predicted lineup, what I feel will win you matches: Finn Allen, Padikkal, Kohli, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers, Shahbaz Ahmed, Suyash Prabhudesai, Kyle Jamieson, Chahal, Siraj, Harshal Patel. That lengthens the batting. I know Virat Kohli comes at 3. You all will be like, but he plays well at 1. Abe chup kar. He's playing well at 1. Huh? Send him at 3. Cocky bastard. Doesn't play. Inconsistent. Big games, it doesn't fire. Small games, it doesn't fire. What games does he want to play? Ludo games. You want to play Ludo games? Yeah? Just few days ago when they played against Rajasthan Royal, Sunil Gavaskar was like, the R in RCB stands for not royal challenges. It stands for real challenges. Real. They are the real challenges. I like, I mean, अपना काम करना, काम कर, ज्ञान 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 क्यों बांट रहा, काम करो. Yeah. After that, everything went haywire. Lost against CSK, lost against Punjab. I'm pissed the way we approach the game, the way we show the spirit. There was no spirit in that side. Yesterday, there was no spirit in the side on the game we played against CSK, the last Sunday game. Yeah, bowling was fine. Now death overs, it's coming. I've said in my last video, you can take out RCB out of Chinnaswamy, but you can't take out Chinnaswamy out of RCB. It's written in this blood. It's written. It's written. RCB's mantra is like 170 plus go, play at a slower rate, then depend on AB de Villiers that he's going to hit 100 of 10 balls. Okay, he'll do it. You can't depend on that guy always. When he can, he will do it. If he can't do it. End of story. Yeah. Virat Kohli, 35 of 34. Yeah. For him, David Warner, Manish Pandey, Shivam Dubey, the greatest all-rounder, Indian all-rounder in the history books, according to him, because he is only there in that list. For them, T in T20 stands for Test 20, because they play at bloody slow, pathetic strike rate. And the T20 World Cup is coming up in the month of October. Alright, and I have serious doubts whether this guy can win us that. He's not won any ICC trophy, he's not won any IPL trophy, but he boasts so much. He boasts so much. Alright, the way he performs, I won't mind him getting dropped. If say, okay, Bharat comes in, the wicket keeper, he can replace him. I don't mind. Shift the captaincy duties to AB de Villiers. He can do it more better than this guy. You know, after seeing yesterday's match, I said I wasted my time. If I wanted to see a group of jokers performing, I would have rather watched Arsenal playing or Tottenham playing, yeah, or see the Kapil Sharma show. Yeah, you bowl well for first half of the innings. The last over, okay, it goes for a toss. You give them 20 runs extra. But second innings, man up, it's 180. It's not 280. You can chase it down. Yeah. And you see the net run rate now. We have gone into minus. People are like, don't press the panic button. You have just lost 2 matches. I'm like, Bob, this is RCB. We are always in the panic zone. So we don't have to press the panic button. You know, I'm sick and tired of that guy, Virat Kohli, the most overrated batsman. I said in the last video. People who consider him as the best batsman in the world, take a slipper and hit yourself on the head. Do you know that? Yeah. He boasts of him so much. Yeah. Bowling, he doesn't do. Fielding, shit. It sticks. It doesn't stick in his hand. Khatam, tata, bye bye. And batting, gone. Yeah. We better do something because you're going to play KKR on Monday. If we lose that, the gap is going to get shortened there. We are in 3rd position. People who are on 4 and 6, they're going to catch up with us. So if you want to do any harakiri, I think you better do it then. You better do it. You know, go in the dressing room, do some introspection. High time.